Hi everybody, welcome back to my garden. Today I'm going to harvest a few of these pots of potatoes because they're ready to be harvested. And they've really died back in the last couple weeks, so they're ready to come out. And I can use these pots for something else then. I'm going to harvest the Pontiac Reds and the Kennebec Whites, and hopefully we'll get a few potatoes out of these pots. If you're interested in seeing how I planted these potatoes, I will put a link in the iCard above and in the description box below, and you can kind of look and see how I ended up planting these. So let's see if there's any potatoes in these pots. So as you can see, these plants are really dying back. This one isn't as bad. This is the Kennebecs. But this one over here is really dying back. This is the Pontiac Reds. So you can see there aren't many leaves on it. They're ready to be harvested. So I'm going to do the Kennebecs first. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull out all the stems. I'm going to take this straw, put it over here, so you can see right at the top here. Nice white potatoes. That's why I decided to harvest them, because they're all like bursting at the seams. All of these pots. I'll move you in closer, since I don't have to do much here to find them. Look how white those are. Here's a seed potato. I'm really surprised at how many potatoes I got out of this, because I didn't bury them very deep. I only went down about 6 inches. And everybody was saying to me, oh, you're not gonna, I would have put them up to my elbows. But it's only me, so look, there's another nice one. Boy, these are really nice. And another one. Look at that one. There's the cover shot. So these were Kennebecs. Only went down about 6 inches. They didn't go any deeper. If I would have buried them deeper, they probably would have. I would have gotten more potatoes. There's another potato bug. I should dump this bucket, but it's attached to my irrigation system, and I'm too lazy to go get scissors. Okay, that's it. Now I'm gonna amend this soil, and I'm gonna put some pepper plants that I have in here. So I'm gonna leave the middle open. So there is my potato harvest out of one pot. Some really nice sized potatoes, especially for me. I think potatoes get a bad rap. They're really very good for you. Okay, let's go see how the Pontiac Reds do. Okay. Take the straw off. And I'm gonna put it over here. These ones are popping out of the pot as well. It's a good thing I put straw down. Nice size. I'm gonna move you over. Oh, I said these were Pontiac Reds. I lied. They're Red New Orleans. So before you yell at me for not using a potato fork, just know that I prefer to just dig them out with my hands. It's just more satisfying. I'll run the potato fork through these pots just to make sure I have got everything. But this is just more satisfying. It's just amazing some of the snarky comments you get about harvesting potatoes. And people, you know what? If you want to use a potato fork, go ahead and use a potato fork. Nobody's stopping you. In this pot, I might have to, because these have gone a little deeper. There's just a ton of potatoes in here. These ones don't have those potato bugs in them. So when I watch potato harvest videos, I'm always saying to them, "Oh, you missed one. Oh, there's another one." Let me know down in the comment section below if you're talking to me, trying to guide me to find these potatoes. Okay, I will get the potato fork and just make sure that I got everything. Oh, I found some. It's a good thing I did that. These definitely grew deeper than the Kennebecks. These potatoes were also further along. If you watch that video where I planted them, these potatoes had a, like, real long, here's another one, root structure on them already. I think that's gonna be it. There we go. So there is my potato harvest. Here's the red potatoes that I just harvested. That is a pretty good haul. Look at all those potatoes from one pot. That's pretty good. I'm impressed. It must have been a good potato year. So there you go. That was a really good potato harvest. I'm hiding out in the shade of my tomatoes right now. Yeah, I was really surprised how many potatoes I got out of that. So I'll be sharing those potatoes with friends and family and coworkers because there's no way I can eat all those potatoes before they go bad. And I've got 4 more pots to harvest. I've got the Yukon Golds to harvest, another pot of Kennebecks, and another pot of the Reds. So I'm really looking forward to seeing if all of the pots do as well as those. And I really kind of thought they wouldn't do that well because we had a windstorm like maybe 6 weeks ago and it pushed all the plants over. And I thought, oh boy, now I'm not going to get any potatoes. I was wrong. They still grew a lot of potatoes. So next year I'm going to be curious if I plant them a little bit deeper, if I get more than that. Or was this just like the perfect year for potatoes? I don't know. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this potato harvest as much as I did. These are some of my favorite videos to watch on YouTube. I love watching what people dig out of the garden. And until next time, everybody, happy gardening. Bye-bye.